Hi, my name is Ted. Today I'm going to show you how to omit the column labels in a printout in Excel. I have a table on my screen here in Excel, and it's just a list of fictional sales figures just for the purpose of having a table to show. And if you were to print this out, it would print everything on the screen, would show everything. Basically, it would print out everything that I'm highlighting here. If we want to print out just the numbers and not print out the column headings, in other words, for this table, the week and the region numbers, if we want just the numbers, first let me show you what the printout would look like if we just printed it out without doing anything. So we're just going to go File, Print. I'm not going to actually print anything, but you can see what's going to print. And you can see the headings and the numbers are going to print. This is just a little preview in my particular computer of what the printout's going to look like. So let's cancel out of that. What we want to do if we want to print out just the numbers is select the region you want to print, and then find a menu item called Print Area. And I'm pretty sure that just about any version of Excel will have something called Print Area. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to Print Area and we're going to say Set Print Area. And what that's telling it is that everything that was selected when I said Print Area will be what's printed. And you can actually see that now that I've done that, if you look, you can see a little dashed light blue line around the print area. So let's just do a little test and make sure that worked. We're going to go to File, Print. And now we look and we see that it's only going to print just the numbers without the column headers. So I'll cancel out of that. And you can see how you can use that for pretty much anything you want to do. If there's only a certain region of the worksheet that you want to print out, use that Print Area feature and it'll do what you want. So I hope this has been helpful. I'm Ted, and today I showed you how to omit the column headers in a printout in Excel. Thank you for watching.